Following my recent video on $3 million print-on-demand Etsy shops, I want to delve into a critical aspect often overlooked: profit margins. These margins, the portion of the sale you retain after covering fees and product costs, play a pivotal role in the success of your print-on-demand store. With various print providers available, such as Printful, Printify, and Gelato, each with its unique approach, I aim to break down their main differences, cost structures, and offer insights for those starting from scratch. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Print-on-demand rundown. For those unfamiliar, here's a quick breakdown of how print-on-demand works. A customer places an order on your website or an online marketplace, ranging from t-shirts to mugs. The order is then sent to the print provider, where the product is printed and shipped to the customer within a few days. If you're using Printful as your print provider, the order goes directly to their warehouse for printing and shipping. How Printify and Gelato differ. Printify and Gelato differ notably from Printful. Printify takes a unique approach. They don't print or ship products themselves. Instead, they connect you with various third-party print providers. This gives you the flexibility to choose from different options, and you can find providers with specific inventory, like extra small t-shirts in a particular color. This model promotes competition, leading to lower prices and faster shipping times. Additionally, it allows Printify to expand rapidly, integrating with new facilities without the need for extensive infrastructure investments. In contrast, Gelato operates similarly to Printify by connecting you to different printing facilities worldwide. However, the key difference lies in the fact that Gelato's algorithm determines which print provider fulfills each order, taking away your control in the decision-making process. Unlike Printify, Gelato lacks competition among fulfillment centers, resulting in a flat-rate pricing model. To sum it up, the primary differences lie in the level of control you have over the products and pricing. While Printify and Gelato connect you with third-party providers, Printify gives you the freedom to choose, fostering competition and flexibility. Downsides to integration model. The drawbacks associated with the multi-fulfillment center approach lie in the varying performance of print providers. Quality, production speed, and responsiveness differ among providers, and when issues arise, such as delayed shipments, the process becomes intricate. In such situations, the seller must reach out to Printify, which in turn contacts the facility to identify the causes of delays. This interaction may take days, particularly when dealing with smaller fulfillment centers. However, this challenge can be circumvented by strategically selecting the best print provider for each product, minimizing concerns about potential delays. Printify addresses these challenges through a performance scoring system for each fulfillment center. This score encompasses quality control, production time, and stock reliability, aiding sellers in choosing the most suitable center. To facilitate decision-making further, a list of recommended fulfillment centers is provided, assisting sellers based on the specific products they offer. In contrast, Gelato operates more similarly to Printify, serving as a software intermediary, connecting sellers with various printing facilities globally. The limitation with Gelato lies in the absence of seller control over selecting the fulfillment center. Instead, an advanced algorithm makes this decision, potentially leading to complications. Unlike Printify and Printful, there is no competition among the centers on Gelato, resulting in a fixed-rate pricing structure without alternative pricing options. In terms of customer support and quality, the differences between these platforms are minimal. Printful manages all processes in-house, operating its own facilities for printing and shipping. Printify, on the other hand, offers flexibility by allowing sellers to choose their print provider. In contrast, Gelato relies on its algorithm to determine the optimal fulfillment center for each order. Therefore, The primary distinctions lie in the degree of control a seller wants over products and the associated price differences. However, ease of use is consistent across all three platforms, each offering streamlined and user-friendly experiences, particularly once users become familiar with the systems. Price breakdown. Assuming similar quality and delivery speeds, the focus shifts to comparing costs among these platforms. Evaluation is based on the average prices of popular items like t-shirts and mugs on Etsy. To provide a comprehensive perspective, the comparison considers both newcomers and established sellers with substantial sales volume. The assessment draws from real examples of seven-figure shops, ensuring a conservative estimate of average selling prices. For mugs, two specific shops, Ultimate Gift Shop and Strictly Business Mugs, were analyzed, providing insights into their pricing strategies. Ultimate Gift Shop sells mugs at $17.99 with $5.95 shipping, totaling $23.94 per mug. Conversely, Strictly Business Mugs prices each mug at $14.96 with $7.99 shipping, resulting in a total of $22.95. For analysis purposes, an average mug price of $23 is considered. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. No discount expenses. Mugs. At an average mug price, our hypothetical store sells each mug inclusive of shipping. If fulfilled through Printful, the cost for the mug is $14.44, leaving a profit of $8.56 before Etsy fees. Gelato, without any discounts, charges $14.11 for the same mug, resulting in a profit of $8.89 before Etsy fees. Opting for the high-quality yet cost-effective print provider, District Photo via Printify, and without utilizing any discounts, the identical mug costs $9.62. This configuration yields a profit of $13.38 before Etsy fees. If you wish to delve into the detailed profit breakdown for each platform, you can pause here. 10K plus orders cost analysis. Mugs. Now, let's consider the scenario for an established seller handling, for instance, 10,000 mug orders annually. The objective is to attain the best discount from each platform. On Printful, the largest discount of 9% is earned monthly by spending a total of $10,000 on product costs, excluding shipping. Assuming this discount is consistently earned, the $7.95 mug would be reduced to $7.23 with an additional $6.49 for shipping. Consequently, each mug's fulfillment cost would amount to $13.72. For 10,000 mug orders at $23 each, totaling $230,000 in revenue, the product and shipping cost on Printful would sum up to $137,200, resulting in a profit of $114,200 before Etsy fees. Notably, it's essential to re-earn the 9% discount monthly, necessitating the sale of 1,384 mugs each month for continuous eligibility. On Gelato, with a $1,000 yearly membership providing a 50% discount on shipping, the mugs would cost $7.49 plus $3.31 in shipping, totaling $10.80. Factoring in the discount, the expenditure for fulfilling 10,000 mug orders would be $108,000, leaving a profit of $122,000 before Etsy fees. This calculation excludes the $1,000 Gelato Gold membership. Alternatively, Printify offers the Printify Premium plan at approximately $25 per month, breaking even after fulfilling around 25 mug orders due to a $1 discount per mug. With a per mug cost of $8.55, the profit before Etsy fees for 10,000 mug orders from a $230,000 revenue would be $144,500, subtracting the $300 Printify Premium cost. If you're interested in the detailed profit breakdown for each platform in this scenario, feel free to pause here. 10K plus orders expenditure overview. T-shirts. regarding a prosperous t-shirt venture, envision handling over 10,000 t-shirt orders annually. This is entirely feasible. If intrigued, I recommend checking out my video on $3 million print-on-demand Etsy shops for further insights. Drawing from the average prices observed in those high-performing shops, typically ranging between $20 and $22 per shirt, let's conservatively set the estimate at $20. Even though t-shirts often sell for approximately $22 to $23, let's consider 10,000 shirts at $20 each, generating a revenue of $200,000. Now, Printful's pricing involves $11.78 plus a $3.99 shipping charge post a 9% discount, totaling $15.77 for 10,000 orders, equating to $157,700. This configuration leaves you with approximately $42,000 in profit prior to Etsy fees. To maintain this discounted rate of $11.78, you'd need to consistently sell around 850 shirts monthly to sustain the new discount. With Gelato plus Gold, the charge amounts to approximately $14.05 per shirt, totaling $140,500 for 10,000 orders. This would result in a profit of about $59,500 prior to Etsy fees and subscription costs. Opting for Monster Digital on Printify, each t-shirt costs $13.35, accumulating to $133,500 for 10,000 orders. This results in a profit of around $66,500 before Etsy fees and accounting for the $300 Printify Premium subscription. For a detailed breakdown of profits for each platform in this scenario, feel free to pause here. 10K plus orders expenditure analysis, mugs. Now, let's extend this concept to mugs as a proof of concept to understand the percentage breakdowns these platforms operate on. It's essential to note that not every order mirrors a single item purchase like a solitary shirt or mug. The pricing strategies may vary, and certain orders might qualify for free shipping, potentially impacting your overall revenue. Despite these considerations, the feasibility of such a scenario remains, especially given that a substantial portion of orders typically comprises single-item purchases such as a loan mug or shirt. This adds an additional layer to consider when evaluating and choosing between these platforms. Affiliate commissions and how I would start over. It's crucial to address affiliate commissions, with Gelato and Printful offering higher rates compared to Printify. Despite my affiliation with Printify, my recommendation stems from personal experience and preference for its cost-effectiveness, control, and superior profit margins. If starting over, I choose Printify for its outstanding service, quality, and profitability. In conclusion, selecting the right print provider is a pivotal decision that significantly influences your business's success. Understanding the differences and considering factors like control, cost-effectiveness, and affiliate commissions is crucial for long-term growth. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.